What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a NASCAR diecast unboxing to take care of. We got some brand new 2025 diecast here in the box, and we're going to take them out one at a time, see what we got, starting right here, right now. Should be a nice amount, and there you go. You can see some right there. So we'll just take them out one at a time. We can see some more in there. Corey LaJoie's 01. Don't know how to say that word. Schluter Systems, we'll go with white. For Rick Ware Racing here. Corey LaJoie getting some releases. Pretty cool to see. Another pretty cool scheme here. The number 77 for Carson Hocevar, Spire Motorsports. This is the 50th anniversary of Ziegler. And it looks like this is the diecast body and chassis version that they're all supposed to have going forward. So this one's got it, and this one doesn't, unless I'm just mistaken. But I think that's the new way they're going to do it, is they're going to have the diecast body and chassis. But I don't know. I thought they were supposed to have rubber wheels, and I think they do. I think this one does in there. But next up, Joey Logano's 2025 Texas win. So pretty cool. Always nice to get race winning schemes here. And this was Logano's only win of 2025. I think. Who knows? I forget anytime he wins because it doesn't matter to me. Next up, we've got a Jimmy Johnson. All these in there kind of lifted up in the back. Jimmy Johnson's 84 Carvana 700th start for Legacy Motor Club. So pretty cool. You see the 700 there. Under the 84 for 700 career starts. And on that side too, you got it. So that's cool. Coming up next, we're going to have some Xfinity action, it looks like. The number 18 Starkey Toyota for William Sawalich. So good to get some Xfinity schemes here. I love the Xfinity car. I wish Cup raced the Xfinity packaging car, but they don't. But anyways, next up, another Xfinity car. One of the coolest ones I've ever seen in my life. This is the SVG WeatherTech Red Bull number 9 for Junior Motorsports. And of course, we got the Connor Zilisch scheme coming within the next few days. It's already out. It's just got to show up in the mailbox. This, his version of this scheme. But this is one of the coolest schemes I've seen in a while, especially for Xfinity. Next up, looks like we're going to get a truck. This is Spencer Boyd's test truck. Every once in a while, we get an extremely random release. This is pretty random, if you ask me. But it's here, because it's pretty cool. Spencer Boyd, test truck. How the flip does this get made? I don't know. But it's in my collection now. So we got one left in the box here. And as you can see, we've got Denny Hamlin's Darlington Throwback winning scheme. The Sport Clips number 11. Darlington win for the 2025 season. Throwing it back, of course, to Carl Edwards. One of the best throwbacks of this season, if not ever, since they've been starting the throwback schemes. So really cool to get this in a win, even though it's Hamlin. We'll see what happens going forward with Hamlin. Hopefully he comes back strong after last season, even though I'll root against him, so who knows. But that's a really cool one to end off with there. We've got, let's see if I can get them together. We've got 2 Cup Series race winning schemes here in this one. And then we've got a truck, of course. And then we've got 2 Xfinity schemes that are both really cool. And then we have some Cup guys here with Hocevar, LaJoy, and Jimmy Johnson getting some releases. So there's 8 brand new ones. As always, leave a comment on which one of the video you like the best. Like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. Hope everybody's enjoying the holiday season that we're in right now. Staying warm. I know that's kind of difficult. And can't wait for NASCAR to get back. So we'll be there in a month or 2. We'll have some NASCAR action. But until then, keep checking in for the NASCAR Diecast content because the Diecast season never stops. Subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out.